Guys, it's Matt New Haven Model Railroad here. So here's my made by ROCO. It's made in Austria. It's a model power FA. Because if it was a PA, it'd have 6 axles versus 8. And we're gonna try to get this oiled up. I got some fresh oil I ordered. It's a huge 4-ounce bottle. And then I got some grease. That's normal stuff that I've used. That's plastic safe and all that. So let's see how this thing runs. Mind you, the wheels are absolutely filthy. Put this on the track. I got my Tech 2 controller here. See how it goes. Get the power on. That's what it does. Reverse. Oh, it's not even on the track. Yeah, it definitely needs some oil and attention. So, let's take it apart. It's pretty simple with these. It's like an Athearn or Bachmann for that matter, too. So the little clips on the side. Unclip it. Now, this front coupler is going to be a pain to get through, but you got to try to feed it out. There's the inside of the shell. There's this big weight here that actually the chassis is all metal. Get this big metal weight here with a wire, goes up and around, and let's take this off. That big can motor. Ooh. Can't get to the brushes because they're right there. Little pins that go in. And then looks like an Athearn drive. Very unique. So let's well, first let me get this I don't think I can get that truck assembly off, could I? Oh, yes I can, right here. Let's push this back. Oh no, I'd have to take the trucks apart. Alright, no matter. A screwdriver here. Well, it looks like it's pretty well oiled, but try to clean that off. Turn the controller off. Huh. How did I get to the truck? Worm gear. Oh, okay. Slide it forward. Ah. Gotta take this off too. Alright, got most of this part here. Try to get this gear cover off. And there we are. We're in. Look at that old grease.
Amazing. Still attempting to work. It's just like an Athearn drive.
Still pliable. It's probably for good and fresh, but yeah, I'll put a little more grease in it. I have an alcohol wipe here.
Grease. Let's go. Clean this up as best I can. If I miss some stuff, well, try to get it all. Probably would have to soak this if I had to.
There's no dust on it. There we go. A little bit of grease. Some more. A little bit on here. Like that. There we go. I put a liberal amount. A little bit of oil. Fresh, full synthetic oil. Find it on eBay. Use it for clocks, use it for Lionel, use it for anything that's plastic compatible. So then this assembly clicks back on like so. Gotta be careful. Brittle plastic. Alright. I'm gonna cut the video here in a bit. After I clean up the contacts with Scotch-Brite.
That solder wired breaks. I'm kind of screwed because I don't have my soldering iron. Anyway, take the universal drive shaft, put it up in the unit here, and it's kind of a pain to get it in there because you gotta turn the motor to fit. There you go. Then the truck and the coupler actually hold it. The coupler is right here. The rear one would be easier, but it's basically how you get it done. I'll cut this now.
Probably want to see me clean the wheels here. Use the alcohol wipe, clean side. Clean it off. And take the Scotch-Brite. Now, what I recommend is, yes, get a fiberglass pencil or use a Dremel tool. You know, lightly polish these. You can use a Scotch-Brite too. But what I also suggest, use some rubbing alcohol to get the fibers off, because you don't need that going in your gear train. Look at that. Nicely polished. To the other side, see it non-insulated goes the opposite. So there you go. Let's cut this one, because basically I'm just going to clean the wheels up, put it back in reverse assembly. Alright guys, back. Got this assembled. What a pain. Show you the detail here. It's got, looks like grab irons, which they're not. It's plastic. They're molded in. Same with this. I'm going to see if I can try to touch that paint up. That coupler bent right back up, even though I rested another locomotive on it to bend it down. It's still bent up. Cleaned the entire locomotive with an alcohol wipe. Cleaned off the dirt and grime. There was some here, like the locomotive had almost like it sat for a long time, mold or something got stuck on it. Missing a horn that'd be facing that way, as this one faced that way. Another thing to add with these ROCOs, make sure your insulated wheels, these, if you can see it, the little black centerpiece, make sure they're on the driver's side. Driver would be here, fireman would be here, because they sit like they're in England, left-hand drive. So the driver would be over here, fireman would be on the right side. So, anyway, cleaned up the wheels. What the heck is that? Huh. Piece of flashing. Interesting. Clean that out. There we go. It's gone. Oh, they got the brake rigging really close to detail here. And here. It isn't too bad, I don't think, for a 70s model. No. Or whatever year is this from. 60s, I'd say 70s. The screw goes through the truck here, through the chassis, makes a little pin so it can't slide out, locks into the place to there. I think it's kind of neat. This coupler is going to be a pain to take out. If I was to switch it with a KD, I'd have to try to crack this cover here out. See, it moves that way and moves up. Oh, can't get it to move up, but anyway. So let's see how she runs now. Wheels cleaned up, and on the right way. Go forward. Backward. Nice and smooth. Look at that. It's like an Athearn. There's the crawl. A little bit of cogging. But look at that. That's at 20% power. Impressive. Well, that's it for the video. I hope y'all have a good one. Take care.